Hello, I am Evelyn Abraxon, the Beauty Food Chick. Welcome to my channel. And if you're a regular, welcome back to my channel. A place where you'll find tips and tricks for food and beauty. On the Beauty Food today, we have something healthy, bulgur wheat. Bulgur wheat is a Middle Eastern meal, very easy to prepare. It comes mostly parboiled, so we have 2 samples of our bulgur wheat, the broken one and the whole one. I have my bell peppers, I have parsley, salt, oregano, basil, chives, oil, I use olive oil, minced chicken, and that is it, guys. Now, most of the bulgur wheat comes parboiled, so which relatively makes it quick to prepare. And when it is cooked, it is similar to couscous and quinoa. I'll do a video for that very soon. So you want to start by sauteing your onions. The recipe today is basically a stir-fry method. You may ask questions like, is bulgur wheat better than rice? I'll say a big yes. Compared to rice, it is healthier. So I put my onions to the side and I add my minced chicken. I want to saute it and add spices to it so that as you chew into your protein, for the sake of the fact that this is healthy, I chose to use chicken. You can use fish, which is healthy, equally healthy. Now, I take out the onion so that it doesn't burn. Is bulgur wheat healthier than rice? Like I said, yes. It has twice as much fiber, which is good for digestive system. So I added a pinch of salt to my chicken and continue to stir fry it. Bulgur wheat is known to control blood sugar level, so this is pretty good for diabetes, especially type 2 diabetes. My mom used to eat bulgur a lot. Now you bring in your onions, and then I don't know if I pictured this, pepper and garlic. You add to this whole stir frying thingy going on here. You notice I did not add too much oil. Then we bring in basil. The dry herbs and fresh herbs give you a different taste. Oregano, I love oregano a lot because it has this pepperish kind of flavor to it. Basil, when fresh, tastes different. When dry, tastes different. And chives, the same thing. Basically, herbs taste different when they're dried. Chives is from the family of onions. So, there you have it. You can, at this point, add your seasoning, any seasoning of your choice. If you like, you can skip adding seasoning. It's not mandatory. The benefits of bulgur wheat is that it's a good source of magnesium and iron, contains vitamin B, very high levels of vitamin B. It could lower the risk of heart disease. Yeah, now you understand why I love bulgur wheat. This is the bulgur wheat that has been washed and strained. Why? Because I am going to stir fry it. in all of this mix, and I'll stir fry for about 5 minutes. Remember, from the beginning I had said that bulgur wheat comes parboiled, already parboiled, so it makes it very, very like fast to cook. So can you see the difference? Then I bring in hot water. Hot water, guys, hot water. Yes, yes, yes. Your water should cover the bulgur wheat and everything going on in the pot. When it's ready, it should look like this. At this point, you bring in your vegetables, which we had today, bell peppers. Bell peppers are very, very healthy, very nice, very crunchy. Now, if you want it really crunchy, you can add to this without this water and serve immediately. But I chose to cook it a bit for like a minute. That is why we had that level of water in this mix. Thank you so much for watching this far. Trust me, you will not regret coming to my channel. And our bulgur wheat is ready. It's ready. It's ready. It's ready. Do not forget to subscribe. Please press the like button. Share this video if you found this very helpful and useful. And look at how beautiful that looks. If you are not too particular about your choice of protein, you can totally use minced meat like beef, but I am going for healthy. This is basically a healthy meal. And when food is healthy, it doesn't mean it is supposed to be what's the word, or what's the phrase? What I'm trying to say is, healthy food doesn't necessarily mean that the taste is yucky. No, it's how you prepare it that makes it tasty. So guys, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. There is so much more with the Beauty Food Chick. Stay safe, be good. Mwah, mwah, mwah.